I've been mouth taping for about 5 months now, and here's why I'm never gonna stop. Mouth taping at night stops you from mouth breathing, which over time can actually reshape your entire face. Look at this diagram of before and after from my jawline and just overall facial structure. Don't even get me started on the countless other benefits like sleeping amazing at night. And this brand of mouth tape called Snore is the only brand I've found that's made of silk, so it's not gonna irritate your mouth over time. And they also throw in 30 of these nose pieces for completely free. Make this small investment on yourself for a huge investment on your long-term health and looks.